What if Planet 9 isn't just shaping the outer edges of the solar system, but tilting the whole thing? Astronomers have long puzzled over a strange anomaly. The Sun itself spins on an axis that's tilted about 6 degrees compared to the orbital plane of the planets. In simpler terms, the solar system, the swirling disk of planets, moons, and asteroids, leans slightly askew from the Sun's rotation. That shouldn't happen. If everything formed from the same rotating cloud of gas and dust, the Sun and its planets should align. So what could cause this subtle, persistent tilt? Enter the tilted solar system hypothesis, and with it, Planet 9. This theory suggests that Planet 9, with its massive body and inclined orbit, might be exerting a long-term torque, a twisting gravitational force, on the entire planetary system. To understand it, imagine the solar system as a spinning plate on a table. The planets are tiny weights orbiting in a flat ring near the center. Now, picture a heavy object, Planet 9, moving around the outer edge, but not flat like the others. Instead, it loops above and below the plate in a tilted wide arc. Its gravity tugs gently, persistently, pulling the spinning plate just off balance. Over billions of years, that tiny force adds up. Not enough to flip the plate, but enough to tilt it ever so slightly. That's what Planet 9 might be doing right now. According to simulations, if Planet 9 orbits the Sun at an angle of 15 to 25 degrees compared to the average planetary plane, its gravitational influence would gradually affect not just Ethnos, but also the orbits of the inner planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and even Earth. The result? A system-wide tilt that subtly shifts the orientation of every planet's orbit, one slow, imperceptible nudge at a time. It's cosmic sleight of hand on the grandest scale. This idea was first proposed in 2016 by researchers who noticed that the observed tilt of the solar system could be explained by the presence of a massive inclined planet lurking beyond Neptune. The numbers matched. The physics made sense. And once again, Planet 9 emerged as the most elegant solution. Think about the implications. We're talking about a planet that not only reshapes distant orbits, but also bends the entire plane of the solar system. It's as if this hidden world is holding the celestial puppet strings, pulling on the architecture of our cosmic neighborhood. And we've never seen it. Some call this speculative. Others call it profound. But either way, it highlights a truth often forgotten in science. Unseen forces shape the universe just as powerfully as visible ones. If this theory proves true, Planet 9's impact is more far-reaching than anyone imagined. It's not just a rogue world at the edge of space. It's a dominant architect, subtly redefining the very shape of the solar system we call home. But there's still much we don't know. How massive is Planet 9, really? Where exactly is it in its orbit? And how do we distinguish between its gravitational influence and other possible explanations, such as the accumulated effects of multiple smaller bodies or early solar system instabilities? These questions are fueling a new generation of astronomical models and simulations. Advanced supercomputers now test thousands of hypothetical solar systems, altering variables, running forward and backward in time, searching for the fingerprint of a massive tilted world. And though we haven't directly seen Planet 9 yet, its influence may already be etched into the very orientation of the planets. As we probe deeper, one thing becomes clear. The solar system isn't as neatly ordered as our textbooks once suggested. It's a dynamic, evolving system, full of interactions, migrations, and hidden histories. And somewhere out there, Planet 9 may still be pulling the strings.